One key figure of this period was Johannes Kepler, whose discoveries about planetary motion changed how we view the solar system. So this role play, Kepler's Cosmic Quest, will show Kepler's struggles, discoveries, and impact on modern science.
I just don't get it.
For centuries, people thought that the Earth was a center, and now we're supposed to believe in that the planet loops around the sun in ovals? How does that even make sense?
Yeah, why should we trust some guys from 400 years ago?
Okay guys, calm down. The guy you're talking about is none other than Johannes Kepler. And he didn't just guess this stuff out. He spent years figuring out how the planets move.
And his three laws are still our foundation of how we understand orbits today.
So planets really don't move in circles?
And the Earth is not the center?
No, Kepler proved that the sun is the heart of our solar system.
And planets follows elliptical paths, not perfect circles. But to get why that matters, we need to see what he went through to find the truth.
In the early 1600s, Europe clings to the idea that the Earth sits at the universe center. For Johannes Kepler, every step towards the truth came with a fight.
The world says heavens are made of perfect circles. But I've spent years with Tycho Brahe's data, and it won't fit. Tycho Brahe almost never shared his observations. He guarded them like gold. I've moved 3 times in 5 years because of the war. Lost my little ones to sickness. And still, no one will listen to what the numbers are saying. But I can't stop. The data is too clear. There has to be a pattern. Look! Mars doesn't move in a circle. It moves in an ellipse. And the Sun? It's not at the center. It sits at one of 2 fixed points, the foci. And here, closest to the Sun, it races ahead. And when it's far away, it slows down. An imaginary line from the planet to the Sun, it sweeps equal areas in equal time. And this is the harmony. Jupiter takes 12 years to orbit, Saturn 30. If I square their periods and cube their distance from the Sun, they match exactly. The universe isn't just beautiful, it follows rules. Planets orbit the Sun, not the Earth. Their paths are elliptical, their speeds are predictable. This is how the cosmos works.
Johannes Kepler! Your writings have reached the church. To claim the sun is at the center, and the celestial path is not perfect circles. This goes against all we hold as sacred.
I seek only to understand what God has created. These aren't just ideas. They are proven by observations.
Scriptures is our guide, not numbers on paper. You must redraw or your work will be condemned.
I know the truth may be hard to accept, but I will not turn away from it.
So that's the story. He faced some many struggles just to get the data that he needed to his work.
And then came the breakthrough discoveries. Even after he shared what he had found, there was still an opposition from the church. He didn't just argue against old idea, he proved a new way to see the sky.
He
Kepler could push through all that, we can definitely handle our performance. Yes, let's go!
So in conclusion, Johannes Kepler's journey reminds us that discovering the truth is never easy. It requires patience, courage, and strength to question old-held beliefs. His law did more than explain how planets move. They changed how humanity understands the universe. By trusting evidence over fear and tradition, Kepler opened the path for space exploration and modern science. His story shows us that progress happens when we have enough to research for the truth and stand by it, no matter what challenges.